All right, today we're going to talk about legal.com case removal. And it sounds like Legal is one of the more difficult of the public court record sites to deal with. Can you advise people if they see themselves on Legal, what do they do?
Unfortunately, legal.com is one of the few sites that you can't remove yourself from by asking nicely. Most of the other sites, you just email customer service, please remove my information. It could be sealed or unsealed, doesn't matter. Legal requires the record to be sealed. If you can get the record sealed, usually ideally through your original attorney, keep the cost lower, then that's the great free option. If you can't be sealed, and there's certain criteria depending on each state, then you have to bury it with positive content. And that's where we can help. And the positive content can be about real you or about someone fictional who shares your name. Either way, we just need to publish content that talks about you or your name in any form. Obviously, whatever we do right, we'll go through the client first for approval. But end of the day, we need to create social media, homepages, news articles that rank the legal.com. And the idea is people are inherently lazy. They don't click to page 5, they don't find legal.com, and problem solved.
Yeah, well, most of the time, page 1, maybe the top of page 2 is as far as people are going to look, right?
Exactly.
So this would be great. Like if you're, an entrepreneur, you're a business owner, job seeker, even, and you're concerned about your online reputation. If you see Legal on page 1, contact us. We create content to push it down.
Yes.
So can you comment on, we've talked about in other videos like Justia and Court Listener and a few others that allow the person can contact them directly and they'll take the record down. But Legal, they won't. Is that just up to the website owner? Like, why is one different from the other?
Yeah, good question. Each site has its own policy. The sites that do remove for free by asking nicely, they're doing it out of the kindness of the heart. They're under no legal obligation to do that. And some sites will require a fee to remove it, and other sites are no fee, just has to be sealed.
Huh. Okay. Well, I think that's helpful. Just to give an idea in terms of, if someone does have like a legal.com article on page 1, how long does it take to push something like that down? Any idea?
Depends on the situation, depends on the keyword, but somewhere in 2 to 4 month range to get it to page 4 or 5, I would say. An ideal situation, maybe 1 month to get it off page 1. Maybe
Yeah.
2.
It's still very affordable to push it down.
Yeah, it's very affordable. Legal.com is one of the more prominent court record sites, but generally court record sites aren't too SEO powerful. They're not like, New York Times, for example. So
Right.
it's definitely doable.
All right. Matt, thanks a lot for your time today.
Thank you.